Good evening. My name is S. Vishnuvardhan, Mechanical Department, Government Polytechnic Vaddepalli, third semester for C16 and C18 also. My subject is Manufacturing Technology. Subject code is M305. Today topic is sweeper, slaughter, planer, and browsing mission. In this chapter, sweeper chapter, this we are today we are discussing about the construction of planer, explain function of each part, and list the specification of planer. Today, first to discuss it shortly what is saber, slaughter, planer, and broaching mission. In this working principle also I will explain just shortly, and construction details also explain. I will explain. And the saber, slaughter, and planer. In machining, the excess metal is removed by cutting tool. Metal is removed from work with the tool moving and stationary. The work moving and the tool stationary are both the tool and work moving. First one is the shaper machine. Shaper machine is used for producing flat surfaces. Machining on shaper is more economical with easier work setting and cheaper tooling on a shaper. Job is fixed on table and the cutting tool reciprocates across the workpiece. The tool cuts on forward stroke and the return stroke remains ideal. There is no cutting action in the return stroke. This is the shaper introduction, and now slaughter. Slaughter is producing a slots, keyways, and grooves. These are the producing slots on the workpieces. In the slaughter, it is a reciprocating mission in which ram holding the tool reciprocates in vertical axis. Ram holding the tool and reciprocates in vertical axis, and the work is supported on a rotary table. Rotary table has a it is used for number of workpieces can be producing on the rotary table for a small workpieces. It is mounted on the carriage. Cutting motion is produced by a reciprocating movement of the vertical ram. The rotary and longitudinal movements of table permit the workpiece to be positioned and feed for straight line and rotary cuts. It is usually adapted for machining holes, keyways, and grooves. And the planing machine. Now, planing machine or planer is one of the basic machine tool of the industry. It is used for producing flat surfaces It is designed with stationary housing for holding heads and reciprocate table for holding the work piece. Thus, the work which is mounted on table reciprocates fast to the stationary tool, and the tool and the feed is given by the lateral movement of the tool. Metal is cut only in the forward movement of the table, and the return stroke is ideal and completed quickly. This is the planer mission and broaching mission. Broaching mission. In broaching mission, it is pushed or pulled over a external flat surfaces on a stationary workpiece. In internal broaching, the broach is pushed or pulled through the hole in the stationary workpiece. In certain missions, broach is held stationary and the workpiece translates over the broach. For broaching, no separate feed is required. As the feeding action is built in the teeth form, each successive tooth is a little higher than the one preceding it. Therefore, each tooth removes a layer of workpiece material. The first few teeth on broach are low to permit the small end of the tool to be passed through the work. The intermediate teeth removes the most of the metal, and the last few teeth finish the surface to size. Machining operation completes in one pass of the broach. The cutting action of broach teeth next. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to explain the construction of planer, explain the function of each part of planer, list the specification of planer, introduction. Having known the working principle, we will learn now what is the working principle of planer mission. In the planer mission working principle, the planing mission or planer is one of the basic mission tool of the industry. It is used for producing flat surfaces. It is designed with stationary housing for holding the tool heads and reciprocating a table for holding the workpiece. Fast the stationary tool, and the feed is given by the lateral movement of the tool. Metal is cut only in the forward movement of the table, and the return stroke is ideal and completed. This is the principle of planer mission. Now Construction details of planing mission. This is the planing mission. It has a main components of planing mission: bed, cross rail, column, tool heads, table, and feed mechanism also. This mission is a heavy mission and it producing a large workpieces. It occupies more space area. It has a vertical columns, two vertical columns and two horizontal columns. Horizontal columns is a attached to the tool heads, that is a cross rails, and the tool heads also connected to the tools. These are the totally 4 tool heads and 4 cutting tools. Can be producing a producing a planing operation for a sides and top face of the planing mission. It can be easily producing and it is a long workpieces can be producing and easily it can be cutting the workpieces and heavy material can be removed, because cutting tool is a rigid material and base also rigid material to control the vibrations, and the tool heads is inserted into the cutting tools. Cutting tool is inserted into the tool heads. It can be operated by a lever type of the wheel and it can be easily adjusted, and the cutting tool is made of high carbon steel and high speed steel. Generally cutting tools the type of materials can be used because cutting tool is a more stronger than the workpiece, so it can be cut easily, can be producing a different operations and required operations also. And the table it has a T slots and workpiece is clamped on the work table. To clamping a workpieces by using different types of clamps. The clamps angle plates, T-bolts, parallels, etc. That materials. And bed is mounted on the floor. It occupies a more space area, that is a heavy mission, and it is a rigid material and it is made of cast iron or grey cast iron, and it has a and work table also it has a T slots. These are the just a concept of the planing mission and main parts of the planing mission, that is the bed, table, housing or column, cross rail, tool heads, driving mechanism, and feed mechanism. This is the construction details of a planar mission, and this is also called double housing planar mission also, because 4 tool heads and 4 cutting tools and 2 vertical columns and 2 horizontal cross rails, that is called double housing planar mission. And it has a work table, just box like casting material. First one is this is the parts of planar mission land diagram, and this is the double housing planar mission. First one is the bed. The planar bed is large casting box like casting, and its length is nearly twice the table length. It is made of cast iron. The guideways are provided on the top of the bed to support and guide the reciprocating planar table. It accommodates the table driving mechanism. Guideways are provided on the top of the bed to support the guide reciprocating planar. It accommodates the table driving mechanism. And the table or platen is a large rectangular casting mounted on the bedways. It holds the work and reciprocating along the bedways. Reciprocating means work table, it can be moving forward direction and backward direction. Forward direction is a cutting stroke and backward direction is a ideal stroke. Ideal stroke means there is no cutting stroke, that is called ideal stroke, and the workpiece can be fixed on the work table. It has a T slots to clamping the clamps to clamping the workpieces by using vices, clamps, T-bolts, angle plates, etc. Different types of clamps using. The top surface has T slots to facilitate clamping the work or holding devices. Some example of holding workpieces: vice, special fixture, etc. To hold the devices with T-bolts also, it is the housing or column. It has a vertical types fixed on the mission. It is attached to the bed, and a large vertical structure on each side of the bed supports cross rail on which tool heads are mounted. Also supports the mechanism for operating the tool heads. Housing or column, long vertical column structure is placed on each side of the bed. It supports the cross rail on which the tool heads are mounted. Its front face is accurately missioned to provide guideways for a cross rail. It also supports the mechanism for operating the tool heads. It is made of cast iron or grey cast iron to providing a guideways for cross rail. This is the cross rail. Cross rail is a rigid material. It has a long vertical column that is fixed on the horizontally. Rigid casting mounted horizontally on the columns. Vertical ways of housing can be moved vertically up and down by elevating screw entire the length of it, because it can be adjusted easily by a elevating screw depending on the workpiece sizes. If sometimes workpiece is small sizes and elevating screw is adjusted by a cross rail is adjusted by a elevating screw and locating with the ways of housing carries two sleds with tool heads. And cross rail is a rigid casting mounted horizontally on vertical ways of housing. It can be moved vertically up and down, located within the base of housing. It carries two saddles with tool heads, two tool heads in which tools are held. Tool heads may be moved horizontally on the gateways of cross rail by means of feed screw, because tool heads is moved to the requirement of the workpiece sizes and producing a planing operation. And the tool heads, these tool heads is very important for to holding the tools. You can be adjusting the lever at the top position of the cross rails. It is attached to the cross rails. This double housing planer, it has a 4 tool heads. 2 tool heads is attached to the horizontal of the column, and another 2 tool heads is attached to the vertical column of the machine. These tool heads can be fixed to the tool, and it can be adjusted by a elevating screw, and it can be easily adjusted, and it is a strong materials. And the tool head is attached to saddle, which is mounted on the cross rails. It contains tool post for holding the tools. Its construction and operation is same as that of shaper. The tool post means clapper block is hinged to the head, so that on the return movement of the table the cutting tool will be lifted. Tool heads can be swelled. Tool head can be swelled through 60° on either side of vertical position. There are 4 tool heads, 2 in vertical position on the cross rail and other 2 in a horizontal position on the housing below cross rail. And the driving mechanism, planer driving mechanism. Various mechanisms are provided for controlling the operations on a planer. The 2 important mechanisms provided for planer, that is a table driving mechanism and the feeder driving mechanism. First one is the table driving mechanism. In these 3 types, that is the open and cross belt drive mechanism, that is the fast and loose pulley drive mechanism, reversible motor driving mechanism and hydraulic drive. This is the open and cross belt drive mechanism. It is used for small capacity of machines. The table of this machine is moved by gears and a rack attached to the underside of the table. The counter shaft receive from motor at the top of the housing has 2 pulleys for transmitting power to maintain shaft, which drives the table by gear and a rack. 2 sets of fast and loose pulleys are mounted on driving shaft. Fast pulley is keyed to shaft, while Loose pulley is free to rotate on the shaft. The smaller fast pulley is used for backward motion of the table and is connected by open belt drive. The fast pulley used for forwarding motion of table is bigger in size and is driven by crossed belt drive. Thus, the speed of the table in backward stroke is faster than the forward stroke, means cutting stroke. Crossed belt is used to belt drive during cutting stroke. At the end of the cutting stroke, the crossed belt from fast pulley is shifted on to loose pulley, while when open belt is shifted from loose pulley to fast pulley. This is achieved by trip dog, which operates belt shifting lever. The driving this the direction of movement is automatically reversed, and the table is now driven by fast backward pulley with much faster speed. The length and the position of stroke may be adjusted by shifting the position of dog. This is open belt and cross belt and reversible motor and hydraulic motor. That is the table drive mechanism. I will explain next class. Now, what is the specification of a planer? Specifications is most important for every mission, and then because any type of mission by online or offline, which type of mission can be made, and how many production and strokes, means power consumption and strokes and floor space occupies, and which company and which materials can be missioned, which material can be producing a different operations, and where is the servicing mission, and where is the servicing operators, and where it can be located, and where it can be fixed. These are the very important. And the mission is a very which type of material can be producing. It is the specifications of planer. The size of planer is specified by stroke length or size of the table, horizontal distance between the housing, vertical distance between cross rail and the table. Specifications: horizontal distance between the housing and vertical distance between cross rail and and the table indicates the maximum width and height of the work that can be passed through the housing during the movements of the table. In order to specify the planer completely, the other particulars such as range of speeds and feeds, power input, floor space required, type of drive are to be furnished. The distance between the two housings, height between table and cross rail as its uppermost position, maximum length of table travel, number of speeds and feeds available is most important. It is during a operations to slow or speed or high or medium. It is the very important, because sometimes accuracy is important, so then speed is not required. Sometimes speed is low, accuracy is very accurating, cutting the accurating highly. Sometimes cutting tool is faster, accuracy is negligible. That is the important. And feeding also very important. What is the feeding? In the planar mission is provided by cutting tool at the end of return stroke. For machining, horizontal surfaces cross feed is given, and while vertical surfaces downward is applied. These feeds may be operated by hand or by power. And the methods of power feeding: by friction disc and electric drive. In friction disc feed mechanism, the part of revolution of gear operates gearing system, and the feed is provided at the end of return stroke. The feed mechanism is inoperative for the rest of the time. In electric drive separates, motor is used to operate feed mechanism. It is effective, and modern planers are provided with electric drive feed mechanism. And the power input: how much power can be consumptions, and the motor capacity, HP, how much HP value, and the flow. And it is the important for a power inputs. And floor space required, and how much floor space required, where it is located in the industry or colleges or workshops, and how much area is required for establishing the mission. It is the very important. And type of drive: in the drive mechanism is a reversible motor drive mechanism, one type, and hydraulic drive mechanism and other type. Just to reversible motor driving mechanism, I will explain shortly. It gives wider range of speeds, and the control is quick and accurate. Reversible motor drive is used on modern planer. The main driving unit is a DC variable speed reversible motor which receives power from generator and causes the table to move in particular direction. At the completion of stroke, motor rotates in opposite direction due to reversing the polarity of the armature current, means armature current in it. This is done by two different switches which are operated by trip dogs. This causes the table to move in reverse direction. The quick return effect is produced by regulating the field current of the generator. Length of the stroke can be adjusted by adjusting the gap between trip dogs. This is the reversible motor drive mechanism. And hydraulic drive mechanism also is available and net weight of the mission. And this mission, how much weight gain, and how it can be established or construction on the floor or table, where we can locate the construction. And construction of the mission is floor space is required more. And the hydraulic drive mechanism, hydraulic drive is a for planer is similar to that of shaper. In hydraulic system, a constant speed, non-reversing motor drive pump. The oil is that passes to control valve from where it is supported into the long cylinder located under the table. The other end of the piston rod is connected to the table. The motion of the table is controlled by hydraulic pressure. During ideal stroke, more force acts on the piston. Therefore, the movement of piston towards left side will be quicker than the movement towards the right side during cutting stroke. At the end of each stroke, trip dogs operates a lever which accurate the control valve of circuit to change the flow of oil from one side to other side of cylinder. The length of stroke can be varied by adjusting the distance between two trip dogs on the side of the table. That is the type of drying mechanism, and this is the specifications of planer mission. And the feeding mechanism also very important. In feeding mechanism, these are the two types of feeding mechanisms. One is the friction disc and another one is the electric drive. And the previous examination questions is very important for diploma examinations, Telangana board examination for end semesters. That is sometimes asking to the only draw a sketch of planar mission. It is the heavy mission. It can be draw easily. 2 horizontal legs, 2 vertical legs, 1 work table, 4 tool heads. 2 tool heads is attached to vertical side, and another 2 tool heads is attached to the cross rail, that is a horizontal side. That is the very important, easily drawing. And it can be, these components also very important for and easily drawing figure. And sometimes of draw a line diagram of planar and indicates the parts, and the specifications also important of the for a planing mission. And this specifications is a stroke length or size of the table, horizontal distance between the housing, vertical distance between the cross rail and the table, in a speed ranges, feeds, power input, floor space required, type of drive. These are the specifications is important. In the mission, the specifications of a planing mission is also very important, and how planar is specified. These are the important for a short question. And sometimes also asking to different way, that is called to draw a sketch of standard housing planner and explain its parts. That parts is a bed column, vertical column, tool heads, cross rail, elevating screw, cross rail, elevating handle, work table, feed screw. That is the components of the double housing planer, and this mission is important for a mainly board exams, so it can be draw easily. Today we are learned shaper, slaughter, planer and browsing mission short notes, and the construction details of a planer and the function of each part, means working principle of planer mission, and list the specification of planer, and the working principle of planer is a producing, it is used in industry. It producing a large work pieces and heavy work pieces. It is designed with stationary housing for holding the tool heads and reciprocating table for holding the work pieces. Thus the work is mounted on table, reciprocates fast to the stationary tool, and the feed is given by the lateral movement of the tool. Metal is cut only in the forward movement of the table, and return stroke is ideal strokes is completed quickly, and it is a return stroke cutting tool is lifted. There is no cutting operation, that is most important, and this points is very important for a competitive exams and board exams also, end semester examination also. So it can be must learn and draw easily and a simple topic. There is no hard topic. This is a construction details of double housing planer or planer mission and specifications of sizes and the explaining the each parts of the components. These topics we have learned today. So learn very important for essay question. Short question is a safer specifications, and you draw a sketch of mission and working principle of planar mission. These are the different ways to asking to the every time compulsory questions. It is a heavy, it is a essay question and a small question also important. So learn this question. Thank you for this.